Hello Facebook. Hello everybody. Happy Monday to you. Hope everybody had an awesome weekend. We had a nice steady weekend here. We had Albie on Friday night, and we are now in the beginning of our new week. So happy almost Thanksgiving to everybody. Hope everybody is going to be celebrating with family and friends, and hope you have plans for Thanksgiving. If you do not, Aroma Thyme still does have some turkey dinners available. It is $39.99. It includes all of the sides, turkey. If you're a vegetarian, we do have a vegetarian option. We also are doing brisket or salmon. It is $39.99. It comes with bread and soup, choice of soup, Manhattan clam chowder, or sweet potato and yellow curry soup. So hope everybody is having a great day. I'm staying warm out there. It's kind of cold. So here I am at the Aroma Thyme bar, and I'm excited to bring you a Mezcal Old Fashioned. So there's a name for it. Zapato, something like that. But I'm just going to call it a Mezcal Old Fashioned. So I see some people joining here. So, you know, it's a little different now. Comments will appear here. If you're watching me, if you could just give me a thumbs up so I know you're here. If you want to leave a comment, leave a comment. What wine will you be drinking this Thanksgiving? That's a great one to always leave. I haven't been on in a long time, but I've been trying to get back at it. I think I did a few last week, and I'm going to try my hardest to be on this week. Tonight is Monday. It is lobster night, so twin lobster tails, roasted garlic, roasted potatoes, and vegetables for $29.99. Of course, the restaurant is open. We also have our wine dinner tonight. It's 4 wines and a dish for $35, and we still have some seats left. So if anybody wants to jump in their car and head over here at 6:30 and join us for the wine dinner, we'll be doing Finger Lake wines. And let me grab them for you so you can see. So we brought back some really cool wines when we were up in the Finger Lakes, and so tonight we'll be having the Zugabee Rosé. We'll be having the Pinot Gris from Anthony Road. We'll be drinking the Barnstormer Departure, which is a blend. I can't remember what's in it, but I think there's some cab in here. And then we will be doing the Weiss Schulhaus, which is also a blend. So those are the 4 wines that we'll be doing. If anybody's interested in traveling with Marcus and I, check out VIPWineryVacations.com. If anybody needs a driver to drive them around the Hudson Valley to different wineries, breweries, give us a call, and we will hook you up, get a driver for you, pick you up, drive your car around the Hudson Valley, drop you back off safely so nobody is drinking and driving. So hello Reed, hello Holly. Man, I wish I was there to eat lobster with you guys. We wish you were here too, Holly. Hope all is well with you. I hope everybody is having a great day. And I'm going to get started on my cocktail. So I'm going to put some ice in my glass. And I am going to start with about 1.5 ounces of mezcal. And here's a mezcal for you. I'm going to put about 1 ounce of bourbon, Rough Rider bourbon from Long Island. This is, nothing like, it's not a well, it is, but we use this for most of our drinks with bourbon, so it's awesome. I'm going to add a little bit of orgeat, which is an almond based, and it's not a liqueur because it doesn't have any liquor in it, so it's an almond based syrup, I guess you'd call it. And I'm going to add some bitters, a couple of bitters, aromatic bitters, and I'm going to add some chocolate bitters as well. And I'm going to give that a little stir. And you know what? I don't have my oranges out, but I would put an orange rind in here. Let's go ahead and, it's got a little smoky flavor. Ooh, that is surprisingly really good. A little smoky, really nice texture. The almond makes it creamy, so it's really cool. So thanks everybody for joining me. If you are joining live, you can hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I appreciate everybody. Tonight's lobster night. Come on down. Come get some lobster. 4 wines and a dish tonight as well. $35. Please call ahead and make reservations. That starts at 6:30. Hope everybody has an awesome Thanksgiving. And I see some more people. Hello, Shante. Nice to see you on. Thanks for watching me. And thanks, everybody. I appreciate your support. Marcus and I still are very grateful for all the support we've gotten. And we'll be celebrating our 19th anniversary here at Aroma Thyme on New Year's Eve, so stay tuned for that. Our Christmas Day Soup Kitchen will be in December on Christmas Day, so stay tuned. I'll need some volunteers for that. I will also need some, we'll ask for some donations if anybody can donate to our Christmas Day Soup Kitchen, volunteers, and we'll be taking cookies, so homemade cookies that we give to all the families. So stay tuned for lots of details coming up in the next week or so. Right after Thanksgiving, we'll start giving you some of that information. So happy Thanksgiving. Thank you. We are grateful and blessed, and thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.